Hello student, today we will do question number 3 and 4 from exercise 3A, Concise Mathematics class 10. So without a further ado, let's get started. Question number 3. How much money will be required to buy 250 rupees 15 share at a discount of rupees 150? So question number 3C. Nominal value of one share is equal to rupees 15. Discount is equal to rupees 1.50. So market value of one share is equal to 15 minus 1.50 is equal to rupees 13.50. So this is market value of one share. Therefore, market value of 250 shares is equal to 250 multiply 13.50. If you multiply this, so we will get rupees 3375. This is answer. Now see question number 4. Find the annual income derived from 125 rupees 120 shares paying 5% dividend. Nominal value is equal to nominal value of one share is equal to rupees 120. Dividend on one share is equal to 5% dividend, so 5 by 100 into 120. So this will become 6 means rupees 6. Rupees 6 is dividend on one share. So dividends annual, therefore annual income six into 125 rupees 750. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.